Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hello, lovelies. On today's menu, we have Ofe Owerri. You guys, this particular Ofe Owerri today is mostly for diasporians who do not have the luxury of finding pumpkin leaf and okasi where they live. You know, to prepare Ofe Owerri, you need different kinds of meat and two different kinds of vegetables. Today, I prepared it with baby spinach and it's so delicious. If you're new here, my name is Chinwe. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you, and let's start cooking. To make this recipe, I will be using cow tongue. This part of meat is very delicious, and as you can see, I cleaned it very well. Chives, cow skin, snail well washed with lemon, stockfish fillet, dry catfish, smoked mackerel fish, and dry periwinkles. Next, I will transfer all the proteins in my cooking pot and season with chopped onions, seasoning cubes, and salt. I will mix to combine, cover, and allow it to cook on its own juice before adding water. And for my thickener, I will be using cocoyam. Next, I will cut it into chunks, add water, and allow it to cook until soft. The protein has been cooking for a while. Next, I will add the cooked pomo, dry catfish, and dry periwinkles. I will add water and allow everything to cook together. Once that is done, next I will go in with my palm oil, Ogiri Igbo, grounded Uziza seed, grounded crayfish, Scotch bonnet pepper, and my blended cocoyam. Add gradually until you achieve the right consistency. I'm going to rinse my blender and add more water for the soup. Next, I will cover and allow it to cook for at least 8 to 10 minutes on a medium to high heat. Here is my baby spinach. I'm going to tear it apart with my fingers and set it aside. The soup has been cooking for 10 minutes and as you can see, the consistency is just perfect. Next, I will go in with my grilled mackerel fish as well as my seasoning cubes. I will mix to combine and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes so that the fish will absorb the goodness from the pot of soup. Once that is done, next I will go in with my fresh baby spinach, and to finish it up I will go in with more crayfish. I will mix to combine and allow it to simmer for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes our soup is ready. Guys, this soup is super delicious and finger licking good. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and families. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and always be positive. And see you in our next video. Bye guys.